Today we're making Poblano Steak Smash Burgers with the Poblano Aioli. But these are not any old regular burgers. We're using New York strip steak. I'm going to show you how to grind your own meat for the best burger. We're going to lock in the moisture. These babies are so juicy and super flavorful. Grab your aprons. Let's cook. Hey guys, what is up? So first to get started, you want 2 New York strip steaks. So mine weigh a total of 1.5 pounds. So you want 2 steaks that have good marbleization. So that marbleization is going to be fat. Fat is flavor. It's going to baste our burgers as they cook. So now you just want to cut these up into pieces that are going to fit right through the feed tube of our food grinder. You could also do this in a food processor fitted with the blade attachment. So just a great tip, place the steaks into your freezer for about 15 minutes. You want them to be nice and cold so they're not gummy when we go to grind them. With my KitchenAid food grinder attachment, I'm just going to place it right through the feed tube and push. Super easy. And if you don't have a grinder, another option, place it into your food processor fitted with the blade attachment. Pop it in there and then pulse about 20-25 times. So you don't want the meat to be gummy, you just want it to finely grind. So now we're going to clean the food processor because we need that for the Poblano Aioli. So you want 1 white onion, and then we're just going to cut this into thick slices. So the reason why you want thick slices is because we don't want to burn them. We just want to caramelize them. Take a rim sheet pan, line it with foil. This is going to help the onions to not stick to the sheet pan. And 2 large poblanos. I'm going to drizzle right over the top canola oil, avocado oil, any oil that you love. You just want a high smoke point oil so it doesn't break down the oil. We're going under the broiler, so we've got extreme heat. I'm going to season with kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Give them a toss. Place them under the broiler for 5 to 8 minutes, and then we're just going to turn them halfway through. Our poblano and onions are beautifully charred. We're going to let these cool, and I'll show you how we're going to add great flavor to our burgers, and we're going to make our aioli. Now for the Poblano Aioli, you want 1 garlic clove, and you just want to grate it over a bowl. And then you want to take 1 lemon and then just grate half of the lemon. And we need 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. By freshly squeezing the lemon juice into the garlic first, it mellows out the garlic. And I can't stress enough, clean as you go. It makes for a stress-free kitchen. Whisk. Food processor fitted with your blade attachment, you just want to add 1 cup mayonnaise and 1 of our roasted poblanos. So I'm going to leave the seeds because I want that heat, or you could pull them out. So you just want to roughly tear it and place it right into the food processor. Salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Puree it until it's smooth. And then you just want to scrape down the sides. That way it all evenly combines. Take our mixture and place it right into the bowl with the garlic and lemon. Give it a whisk. You can make this sauce up to 1-2 days ahead. Put it in your refrigerator. It's good stuff. This sauce is delicious with roasted shishito peppers. French fries too. Cilantro, I love cilantro. So we need about 3/4 of a cup. When you're chopping your herbs, you just want to crumble them into a ball and then chop. That way they don't fly all over your kitchen. And then we're going to stir this right into the mixture. We're going to set this aside. We're going to make our burgers. The second poblano, you can remove as many of the seeds as you want. I'm actually going to leave them in there. I want that spice. And then we're going to fold this into our ground steak mixture. That's for our burgers. clean hands, best tools in the kitchen. Get in there and then just work in those poblanos, but don't overwork the meat. You want to make it into a big meatball. So it's roughly about 5 ounces, 6 ounces each. So you want to heat a griddle or a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Drizzle a little bit of canola oil, avocado oil, whatever oil you use, right over the meatballs, salt and pepper. Okay, we're good to go. We've heated our griddle. It's gonna lightly drizzle a little bit of your oil right over top. Take a piece of parchment paper, your meatball, place it down with your spatula, press. So right now we're locking in the moisture and just hold for about 10 seconds. Remove. What's happening is you have even contact all over the entire burger. So you get that beautiful caramelization, and right now you can't press it anymore. If you press it, it's gonna squeeze out the juice. We've locked in the juice, and now don't touch it. 2 minutes. Last 30 seconds, add Monterey Jack cheese. Remove them to rest, 5 minutes. You're gonna toast your brioche buns. Keep an eye on them, about 30 seconds. So now it's time to assemble. You're gonna take your lettuce, your burger, your tomato, our fried onions, and our Poblano Aioli. And serve extra on the side for dipping. Look at that. Steak burgers, yeah, you can make steak burgers. You will blow away your company this summer making steak burgers. And they don't have to be expensive. You can get New York strip steaks in your grocery store, fairly inexpensive. You don't have to buy prime cut. It's gonna be way better than ground beef. Now it's time to taste. Oh, I'm going right in. You can tell it's not just a regular burger, that beautiful steak, it's perfectly seasoned. You have that nice moisture and flavor from the poblano, the freshness from the Poblano Aioli. It's hard to say poblano. This is legit. You guys are gonna love it. And don't skimp on the bun. Get a nice fresh brioche bun. So good. You guys have to make this. It's not that hard to grind your own meat. It is so good, so good. You're gonna love it. Pair it with a glass of red wine because it deserves it and you deserve it. And there you have it, a Poblano steak burger that you can make at home. And it's gonna be better, way better, because you are choosing the quality of the meat and freshly grinding it. And it couldn't be any easier. If you liked this video, you learned something, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. I do roll out a new homemade, made easy recipe video each week. And if you want to check out more of my other recipes, you can click this video link right here or click this one and I'll meet you over there.